rockets.
Hey guys, Marcus here, and today we're gonna play some more Roblox. Oh my gosh.
Oh crap, these
Roblox.
guys are back.
Yeah. And they made Roblox a bit different.
Bro, where's my team at?
And yes,
Oh no.
never mind, but I do go to McDonald's
We're not
in
getting
like 10 minutes or something. I don't even
Come on,
know.
guys.
Oh yay, I'm on white team. That is
Dang it.
very
How do
epic.
yes, take the
Oh,
whole
she
town
wanted to do
hostage.
this party
How do
all
you win
night.
against
Roxanne. Stop
Like, you gotta do close range.
saying an old
Alright,
shunk.
let's try that again.
Shucks.
Alright, these guys have cool names, so they're probably better at this game. Why is there only 2 of us? Are you kidding me? Oh, never mind. We're all here. We're good.
King
Shed
fish.
I can. And I'm gonna do that.
King
Oh my god.
shed
Our
fish.
friends. Yeah, I know. We're doing,
Yeah.
doing a
Leave him. He wants to sing
Oh
it.
no.
No.
The Rocket Boys are back. Oh! This is wave 4. We're already gonna lose against these guys. Unlike last time, I think you might have to backstab them. Because I believe they shoot towards the base.
No.
Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I have to like attack them once and then run far away. And then just keep doing that.
How the heck does it do that? I lost so much wood that how the heck does that even work? I wanted chocolate. Me too. We're gonna survive. And oh shoot, that was a bad idea.
We beat it. Yes!
Don't
Oh,
die,
man,
don't
that was
die,
epic.
don't die, don't die, don't die. Yay. Woohoo! We made it to the end super easily. That was so epic. And yes, this is at 60 FPS, so yeah. Be happy. Ah! The wall!
No, it's like an action figure size thing.
The wall!
Bro, I just got known. I'm getting out.
The wall!
Hey guys, look at my cool ad that I made all by myself. This atrocity was brought to you by Remainings and Walk Up a Flight of Stairs Simulator.
Okay, and now one sheet. One sheet.
Dude, I found an apple basket. Hey,
yes, I know that sounds bad, but whatever.
Guys, I did it. I won a block. What the heck? This guy's got a laser. See if I can get behind here.
Yeah. Scary Gary.
Oh, I did it. Hey guys.
Scary Larry.
Alrighty then. Alright guys, I did it.
Bro, don't do me like that.
I'm Builder Man.
No. Okay. We are safe, my dudes.
Look out for me.
Never mind, we are not safe.
Right? I'm gonna give myself 1 Robux. And hopefully I'll
welcome to Marcus being an idiot.
Alright guys, no bad words.
Just like that, he dies.
We're watching the red carpet event because I'm gonna be on there, and so is my ad, and so is my beautiful muscle shirt. If you look here, I also see muscle.
Let's make this spin around. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's anchored.
I also can't hear anything. Mike muted, except it's for real. They put on push to talk. Alright, well, they just shut down the servers.
Yeah. Well.
Hey guys, so we actually forgot to pay the water bill for this month and the electric bill. So sorry guys, the stream's over. VIP server, we'll post it. Oh no, they're copying.
I want to do something else.
They just tried to print.
And I want to place all of these in one spot.
Too bad. I'm doing it. Alright, look at Twitch
and
chat.
I don't care if it lags.
We did it. already gifted PewDiePie a sub. Maybe I could do that. Jerry's saying New Jersey.
Yo. Uh-oh, it's relative rotation. That is sad.
Yes, I'll give Joe.
At least we'll make it to the end super fast.
Anything about my Ray William Johnson, so.
Alright, guys.
I have 3 billion subscribers. I feel like the chat's gonna. It's already half of my Twitch chat is red. Did I give Peter Griffin a sub? Yeah. All right. Give it to Cleveland Brown.
Oh,
yes,
flip.
Cleveland Brown.
No, don't leave. Don't you dare. Oh my gosh. How could it do that? We got leg. Huh. We only laid for a second.
I gifted Cleveland Brown a sub because it wouldn't let me gift Peter Griffin a sub.
Do you know my right YT, right? No, I don't. No.
Please stop. I want to try reading stuff. Yeah, it's only rigged if I lose.
And no, I'm gonna have to censor that on YouTube name out because I will not shout out them. Okay, well, I'm super bored and
Nice Roblox
I wanna kinda end the video right now. So I guess I'll just say goodbye and
holy crap, 6ix9ine is hosting the Bloxies.
Signing out. Oh wait, that's an old thing. You gotta do Pay.